Visa application process explained for Singapore students. Let's break down the key steps for a smooth application. Begin your journey by applying for the Student Pass through Singapore's Immigration and Checkpoints Authority, known as the ICA. First, receive your official offer letter of admission from your chosen Singapore university. Access the Solar website using login credentials provided by your university to start your application. Carefully read the Solar application instructions to ensure you understand what is required for each step. Complete Form 16 on Solar. Enter your personal details exactly as shown in your passport. Prepare soft copies of your passport details page and a recent passport-sized photo for uploading. Upload your documents to the Solar portal, ensuring images are clear and meet the ICA's requirements. Verify all details before submitting. Double-check that everything matches your official documents. Pay the required Student Pass application fee online through the Solar platform. Keep your receipt for reference. Your university will review your submission and, if needed, may request for additional supporting documents. Check your email regularly for updates or any requests from ICA about your application status. Once approved, download and print your Student Pass approval letter directly from the Solar portal. Gather all printed documents including your approval letter, passport, and offer letter before traveling to Singapore. Show your Student Pass approval and documents at immigration. Your Singapore study adventure is ready to begin.